Hey, today it's a holiday. Most of the people take it easy, relaxing, and just eating tasty food. But me, I'm working. I want to say I don't remember how many holidays have been working, like Christmas, New Year, Easter, even my birthday. If I wanted a successful life, I had to work hard. So I always say to myself, you love money, you have to work hard. So I finished to do a little touching in the kitchen, as you can see. I finished to put the hardwood floor in the kitchen, and now I'm pressure washer outside. I think I probably, if I remember good, I pressure washer about 1 year ago this house, and the rental left and looks dirty, and I just go around and I repair it so that the new renter will love the house. So as you can see how much dirt is here. Today it's so hot outside. It's 29 Celsius. In Fahrenheit it's around 83, 84. Work hard and play hard. And something that I love this quote that I listen to a motivator speaker. I'm gonna do today what others will not do so that I have tomorrow what others will not have. So I'll show you how I pressure washer. I'm gonna finish the rest after I close this video. I just want to show you what I did today. I hope you learned something. Without hard work, you cannot have a successful life. Have a great day. Hey, today it's a holiday. Most of the people take it easy, relaxing home, eating tasty food. I am working. I cannot remember how many holidays have been working in the last 20 years. I work on a Christmas, on the New Year, on a Easter, also on my birthday. So if you want to have a successful life and you want to have a financial freedom, you have to work hard and know how to invest your money. So today I'm pressure washer. It was about a year ago when I pressure washed this house. I try to do most of the work by myself so that I can save my money so that my business is growing. So I did some touching with the paint and I finished the kitchen floor. So I'll show you how dirty it is, the house now. So you can see how much dust it is. It's so hot outside. So as you can see, the dirt, I guess from the rain and from the dust up on the top. So I'm gonna clean the pressure washer. Fuck, does not work. Hey, today it's a holiday. Most of the people is relaxing home and take it easy and eating delicious food. I am working. I cannot remember how many Christmas or how many Easter or New Year or even my birthday I've been working. In the last 20 years I worked so much because I want to have a great future for myself. So I finished to paint, I did some touching, and I finished the kitchen floor, and now I'm gonna start to pressure wash the house. Oh, I have to put again the engine. Okay, I'm coming down. Okay. Let's start again. Okay, start again. I'm sorry.